All right. Let's get this party started early right now. Wow, it's my birthday today. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you've been watching the stories and Instagram stories, but it's been great. I went to Koya and one of my favorite restaurants. Awesome. How what was so cool, right? Is that when I walked there, I was like, "My name is no, we already know you." Chris was like, "Wow, so cool!" Oh my gosh, that was so funny. That was so funny, right? Yeah, it's great here in Dubai, man. It's lots of fun. Everybody knows who I am. Compare that to Chile, it's like, it's no comparison. Oh boy, well, I've invited for this live stream. I've invited the public group to participate. Hopefully they'll catch this. Let me just pin this to the top here and see if we can get a few more people joining us for the live stream for today on my birthday. Let's see here. Of course, yes, I get a phone call right when I'm doing the live show. Hang on, I'm gonna like answer this quickly. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so no harm done. We didn't actually start the actual show. So we're going to first off, right? Hopefully we don't have all the sound and everything's working, right? So I'm just assuming that's the case. I'm getting a lot of text messages, people saying happy birthday, all kinds of birthday wishes. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be one of the staff who are helping me making sure that everything's good, all the recording is good. So it's going to be difficult, right? Because I'm going to have to keep watching. Man, as you know what? Just if the show breaks up, just give me a call. Lee, Matt, if anybody you guys there are there, make sure you call me should the show break down or fail. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do my birthday. We're gonna do a giveaway on my birthday, right? One whole Bitcoin. I'm gonna decide on the winner at the end of the weekend, but yeah. So that's gonna be how we're gonna do it. We're gonna be giving away a whole Bitcoin for only people who watch the show. Okay, so let's do it. Let me see if with this. It's like I don't know, right? We've missed the D here, but it's okay. Let's see here. All right, there we go. There we go. All right. So, all right. Let's see if that's a good one. If not, right? Let's do some polls. Thank you. All right, it's my birthday. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we got. I'm sure the editor has got some shots for my birthday. There we go. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed those funny faces and the epic cake. Yes, the epic cake. It is. Okay. So let's do this. Let's get the show started. Actually, it's going to be a short one. Then I'm going to do some quick Q&A, and then I'm going to go off and have some fun for my birthday for the rest of the day. So yeah. Actually, there's going to be a lot of people that I'm going to have to be talking to on the phones on my birthday. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the next little while. All right, let's do it. Let's see here. Get some water. And get everything ready. All right. Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's its next move on my birthday? Let's find out in the charts, shall we? Oh my goodness. It took off. Bitcoin took off exactly as predicted. I was saying that this was the jump off point, right? We take it along and look at that. We're going to talk about where you take profits here on this particular trade, right? What to do with your stop losses and all that good stuff, and also on Ethereum as well. Well, as you know, right? Again, today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank you to my good friend who bought me this cake. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. It was an awesome surprise this morning, and I loved it. Oh my goodness, right? I'm going to be giving away a whole Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. You're going to have to leave a message, not in the live stream, but in this video that you're watching on YouTube, and also be a subscriber or a member of the public Telegram group. Links are in the description below. Make sure that you're in that group as well. Leave a comment, and I'm going to select the commenter from that on the weekend, right, to win one whole Bitcoin for my birthday celebration. So and then we're going to announce that person sometime next week. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be life-changing for one person. Hopefully you do something cool with that. And I also want to know, right, what are you going to do if you won that whole Bitcoin? Please tell me in the description, in the comment section below, what are you going to do if you win a whole Bitcoin? So let's get on to the TA, right? But remember, right, this is trading entertainment, not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any money in the market, and let's get on with it. Well, wow, it's exactly as predicted. We talked about it yesterday, right? Take a 2%, if it breaks out here, take a 2% loss on this thing if it were to come back at you, and then a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is right up here. So you could start by moving your stop to break even. It was approximately, there we go, $48,200 there, and you can move your stop to break even around the $46,300 level. You can see that we are going to make it up to that level there, as you can see. Quite surprised, right? I thought this was going to hold, but it did not, and boom, once it broke up, that was it. That was your signal to get into a trade, and here you go. There it is. Boom. Just like that. Bitcoin, right? You know what? For my birthday wish, it broke up and broke higher. Thank you very much, the birthday gods, for that. And yeah, we're going to see Bitcoin. I don't know if we're gonna have to re-examine the situation around the $48,000 mark. But one of the things you need to know about trading is whenever we get into a trade and it breaks higher, and we've already broken higher from this level here, and if it continues up to our target level, how far there can it go? Well, the answer is always look left. And what is that? You see this big bar here. So this bar gets filled really fast once we get into this area, right in the 48,000-ish area. So you could probably see this thing rapidly move up to the $50,000, $56,000 level very, very fast, and retest the top end of the range here. So I'm looking forward to seeing that happen. Should we continue on higher? We could always roll over here, right? Because if you look at the volume, it's a little concerning, and we do have of course the divergence that is there, that's been confirmed. So you have to, like, trade with caution here. Trade with caution. We have created somewhat of a cup and handle pattern in a little tiny 4-hour candle. So we popped up a little bit. So there it is. That has been, I think that cup and handle has completed basically. And yeah, you can see it if we zoom down on, this is the hourly actually, right? So if you zoom down to the 15-minute, let's go there to the 15-minute and make that bigger. You can see the little tiny cup and handle pattern that played out, and boom. And I think that has played itself out pretty much. No, not really. Let's see here. So the target for this cup and handle should be right from here to there, and we're gonna take that and bring it all the way up here. So yeah, it's right. I think it looks like our target is right where we are about to take profits. So yeah, at the $48,000 level. So somewhere around there is where you can see that this cup and handle pattern will play out to that level. And so that could mean that we can see this thing blast off even higher once we get into that, that other zone, where there's no trading when you look left. And yeah, it's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a birthday blast. All right, so let's head over to Ethereum. And before we do, just remember, if you want to join our group, right, you can get 75% off, right, off of the DaVinciJ15.com. Access to the Telegram group where you can watch our show live. You can see what I'm trading. You can see what Lee is trading. We have a trader that is doing a fantastic job, as you've seen if you've been watching the show. All right, let's head over to Ethereum and take a look at what Ethereum is doing. Yes, it has done pretty much the same thing. It's broken out of this trend line here that I thought it had to do a little bit of a rollover test and then come back and then break through, but nope, it's broken through. Not as strong as Bitcoin, but there is a little bit of a breakout there. So hopefully we can see Ethereum do a catch up. So once it goes above the let's see here, approximately $3,556 level, you can see $3,577 actually. You can see that we can this thing could pop up a lot higher very fast and get us to the $3,800 level quite quickly. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that happen. Let's head over to Bitcoin. I mean, what's it called? No, the dominance, right? And the Bitcoin dominance, and it is like looking scary for the alts. Looking real scary for the alts. We are touching now the trend line that I've drawn for a while there, and you can see if we break higher, we could end up with this trend line or even the 200 period moving average. Ouch. That would be catastrophic. But right now you can see things are starting to deflate. Oh, Solana, oh my God, sorry Solana, man. Wow, they got hit really badly. And last time I heard the chain was down. So I don't know what's going on with Solana. Hopefully they get their act together and get things back up and running, because that can't work in a smart contract system, right? Because if you have like trades on here, right, leverage trades on here, you're so messed up, man. So this is why Ethereum is probably going to be the king of all smart contract platforms that you're going to run on, because it's the most reliable. All right, well, with that said, remember, we're going to be giving away one whole Bitcoin. I'm looking forward to that. Make sure that you participate in that by one, right? Hitting the like, right? Thank you for hitting the like button on my birthday. Really appreciate that. And also, leaving a comment. Tell me what you're going to do with that whole Bitcoin if you got it. And also joining my public Telegram group. Links in the description below. And the reason why you want to win that whole Bitcoin is because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Wow, big crowd today, all 100 of you. Thank you very much for joining. on my birthday. Cheers to everybody. Cheers, cheers, and drinking some water. Well, actually, coconut water. Let me answer a few questions that you guys might have in the group here, and then I'm gonna head off to celebrations and with parties. Well, actually, just be calling friends and stuff like that. Happy birthday, Da Vinci. How would you rate the significance of the invention of Bitcoin compared to that of the internet? Kevin Allen, thank you very much for that excellent question. Well, I'd rate the significance of, the internet made Bitcoin possible, but Bitcoin itself, the invention by itself, can't be saying, well, if it wasn't for the internet, we'd never have this. No, by itself, when you compare the internet and Bitcoin, they seem to be on the surface close together. Why is that? Because Bitcoin, right, it helps humanity in a large way, because now they can save money and earn money and move themselves out of poverty and destruction of the financial system. But when you compare that to internet, right? You're saying, well, the internet allowed people to have a lot of information, get to see things that they never would have saw before. For example, I never would have learned about 9/11 and Tower. What was it? Tower 7, Building 7. It was obviously, there's no way a building could go down in a fire. So there's obviously something there to investigate. So yeah, these are things that you wouldn't be able to get, right? That kind of information, the truth, you couldn't get if the internet didn't exist. So you could say that they're on the same level playing field in a sense, but not really. Most people don't go out and get the information that they need. They don't go out and seek out what is the truth. They just try to live their lives, right? And so with Bitcoin as money, right, and if they're trying to live their lives and ignoring what is really going on, Bitcoin automatically, right, once it's being used by people, will improve their lives. And they won't even notice why. All they'll know is that, hey, I'm saving money and it keeps going up in value, so I'm going to continue doing that. And so their lives are improved because now they can save a small amount of their wealth, and then that money, whatever work they produce, this hard work that they produce, it gets stored in a system that always gives them more in the future. And that is 1,000 times better, unfortunately, from my point of view, from my opinion, 1,000 times better than providing information to the masses. Because now, once we have more people moving out of poverty into wealth, society improves greatly, because now politicians must cater to those people and not to the evil people, right? So, yeah, it's a lot better world that we're going to have thanks to Bitcoin, and that's why I think it's a greater achievement for humanity than it is for the internet, in my humble opinion. Okay. Ooh, big 50. I just had my 40th on August. Well, actually, I'm at 49. I did not mention that, but I am 49 today. I'll turn 50 next year. And yeah, so let's see. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. All right, so not a lot of questions here. Right, I'm looking for the tags, right, so that I can easily thank you for the happy birthday wishes, guys. Thank you very much. All right, so thanks for all of you. You mean so much to many. Cool to see a rich man, rich enough to in character, to keep helping us get there too. Wish you many more and in good health. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Okay. Well, thank you all. How did you meet Chris? Well, I met Chris basically when we were doing interview. When I got very popular back in December of 2018, He did an interview with me. He then invited me to the what's it called, Davos, and that was just amazing, blowing my mind. And yeah, we've been best buddies since, man. It's been awesome. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, it's been a great ride. I'm looking forward to seeing what happens next. I'm really enjoying myself, and yeah, I hope you guys are well as well. I hope you're all becoming wealthy, whether you slowly do it by accumulation, which is the smart way, or you trade with the little lady strategy, which is a little better way. And if you trade on a day trade basis, that's fine. Just make sure that you follow some basic steps, such as money management, where you do not risk more than 5% of your wealth in any one trade. Okay. Okay, so Rippy, it seems obviously that we're going into hyperinflation. Yeah, duh. But do you really let the dollar crash? I'm okay. How do you stop something that's inevitable? I'm just please explain that to me, right? It's inevitable, right? Whether it's next year or next 10 years, it's inevitable. There's no stopping this, right? So don't even think, oh, how do we let it, right? How do we let it? It's inevitable. It's built in. There's nothing else you can do. That's like saying, how do I stop myself from dying? Good luck with that. All you can do is extend your life. You can't keep yourself from dying. The same with the dollar. All they can do is extend it. They can't keep it from dying. Right? It's on a collision course to zero. Right? There is no stopping it. I'm worried. Bitcoin is right, and they make us go into deflation instead. What do you think? Okay, fuck me, man. Okay, so do you understand what deflation means? That means, right, that all of the people who get paid, dollars for their what's it called, a retirement fund, they get richer, and then all the people who went into debt, they get poor, they get bankrupt. So all these buildings out here, which are fully leveraged, all of them, that means all those corporations go under. You think that's going to happen? That's what you think is going to happen? Right. Oh my God, you're cute. Oh my God. First I found, okay, the little lady was how I first found you, and it's great. So much potential for automation. Yes, I know. Thank you very much. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Make this a little bit shorter than normal, so head off and enjoy my birthday celebration. Thank you very much for being here, being part of this group, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.